Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp email templates. First, navigate to the Campaigns section in your Mailchimp dashboard. Select Create Campaign and then choose Email. You'll then be prompted to select a template type. Mailchimp provides a wide array of options, from basic layouts to theme designs, making it easy to find a starting point for your message. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your email's design and structure. Once you're in the template selection area, you'll see three primary categories: layouts, themes, and code your own. Layouts are fantastic for beginners, offering simple drag-and-drop structures like one-column or two-column designs. Themes, on the other hand, come with preset colors, fonts, and images, perfect for a quick, polished look. If you're comfortable with HTML, Code Your Own gives you complete creative control. Choose the option that best suits your design skills and campaign goals. After selecting your template, it's time to customize. Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily add content blocks such as text, images, videos, and social media links. You can change colors, fonts, and button styles to align with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to keep your message concise, aiming for around 100 to 200 words for optimal engagement. Always preview your email on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks perfect across all devices. Before sending your campaign to your subscribers, always perform a thorough review. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. This crucial step helps catch errors that could impact your campaign's effectiveness. Once you're confident everything is perfect, you can either schedule your email to be sent at a later time or send it immediately to your chosen audience. Congratulations, you've successfully used a Mailchimp email template.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.